The pool being used for this video is the 16-foot by 48-inch ultra-frame pool. Your pool may differ slightly in the number of parts involved in the assembly depending upon size. Check that you have all the parts as listed in your manual. Do not start assembly if parts are missing. Call Intex Consumer Service for replacement parts. It is important to set up your pool on a completely level surface to keep the water balanced. The pool can become unstable if it leans to one side. Make sure the selected location is within reach by your garden hose and a GFCI-type electrical outlet, because the pool should never be moved with water in it. Do not put the pool right against your house. Envision the traffic patterns around the pool and see where you can place the filter pump without people tripping over the electric cord. Some communities require fenced enclosures. Check with your city for local requirements. Before unrolling the pool, clear the area thoroughly of any object that would puncture the pool when it is in use. Ground cloths can also provide additional protection and should be carefully spread out to cover the area. Now you are ready to set up the pool. Unroll the pool liner on top of the ground cloth, making sure it is right side up. Do not drag the pool across the ground, since that may result in leaks. Locate the filter connecting holes. Make sure they are facing the area where you will put the pump. Double check to be sure that a GFCI-type electrical outlet is within reach by the power cord. Allow the sun to warm the liner for easier beam insertion. Open the carton containing the legs and beams carefully, since it can be used for winter storage. Assemble all the horizontal beams and T-joints first before attaching any legs. Starting at any location, but always working in one direction, slide one beam into the sleeve with the flat side up. Center the beam between holes in the sleeve. Push one end of the beam into one of the T-joints until the spring pin pops out, securing the joint. Continue to assemble all the beams and joints. The last joint connection may be difficult to complete. To make the job easy, lift the last joint and beam a few inches and insert the joint while lowering the frame back to the ground. Attach the end caps to the bottom of each leg. Slide the swagged end of the legs through the belt located in the middle of the pool sidewall and inside the restraining rope at the bottom of the liner. Snap the legs into the 3-hole joints while aligning the spring-loaded pins with the holes. Double check to make sure that all legs are inside the belt loop and inside the restraining rope. Give the pool a good shake to settle all the parts and make sure all pins are firmly in place. Check to be sure all legs are nicely vertical. Finally, recheck the filter connector holes to see if they are still facing the area where you will put the filter pump. Make adjustment if necessary. Please set up your filter pump before filling the pool with water.